Today, I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming King 95 desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have been waiting for the absolute sweet spot of next-generation gaming performance without needing to take out a second mortgage, you have probably been staring at the Skytech King 95 with the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D and the RTX 5070 Ti. I have been putting this machine through its paces for the last 2 weeks, pushing it through everything from competitive shooters to the most demanding unoptimized open-world titles, and I have some very specific thoughts on whether this build actually makes sense for your desk. If you want to check the current pricing or see the specific configuration details for yourself, I have included links below the video that you can check out. Right out of the gate, we need to talk about the processor. The Ryzen 7 9800X 3D is currently the undisputed king of gaming CPUs. Having this chip paired with the RTX 5070 Ti is a massive jump in performance compared to what most people are currently running. In my testing, the 360mm liquid cooler that Skytech included is actually doing the work it promises. A lot of pre-built systems skimp on cooling, forcing you to deal with thermal throttling within 30 minutes of heavy gaming, but that is not the case here. I ran sustained stress tests for hours, and the temperatures stayed remarkably stable. It is a quiet machine, too, which is a relief because I have tested plenty of systems in this price bracket that sound like a jet engine taking off the moment you launch a game like Cyberpunk or Black Myth Wukong. The RTX 5070 Ti is the real star of the show for most buyers. With 16GB of VRAM, you are future-proofing yourself for at least the next few years of gaming at 1440p. I spent a lot of time testing this at ultra settings in titles like Elden Ring and Helldivers 2, and the frame rates are buttery smooth. If you are a competitive gamer playing titles like Valorant or Counter-Strike 2, you are going to be hitting refresh rates that your monitor probably cannot even display. It is effortless performance. However, there is a nuance here that you need to understand. While this card is a powerhouse, it is not quite the 4K ultra monster that a 5090 would be. If you are planning on playing at 4K resolution, you will have to lean on DLSS in the most demanding titles to keep those frame rates high. At 1440p, though, this machine is essentially perfect. Let us talk about the build quality, because Skytech is using the King 95 case, which is a fantastic choice for airflow and aesthetics. It is a dual-chamber design, which means the power supply and the storage drives are hidden away, giving the main chamber a very clean, professional look. The tempered glass panels provide a great view of the interior components, and the cable management on the unit I received was surprisingly clean. Often, pre-built companies just shove the cables into the back panel and hope for the best, but this was tied down and routed properly. That helps with airflow, and it also makes it much easier if you ever decide to add more storage or upgrade a component down the road. Now, let us get into the parts that might disappoint some people. The keyboard and mouse included in the box are, to be blunt, bottom-tier office-grade peripherals. Do not mistake them for high-end gaming gear. They are essentially placeholders. If you are buying this PC, you should absolutely factor in the cost of a decent mechanical keyboard and a gaming mouse. You are not going to want to use the included ones for anything more than an emergency backup. It is a nice gesture that they include them, and I suppose it is better than nothing if you are starting from zero, but do not let that be a selling point for you. Another thing to keep in mind is the storage. You get a 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, which is the industry standard for a good build right now. It is fast, and 2TB is plenty of space for a massive library of games. However, if you are a content creator or someone who archives a lot of 4K video footage, you might find yourself needing more space sooner than you think. The good news is that the motherboard has the necessary slots for expansion, but it is something to keep in mind for your budget. If you want to see the specific motherboard model or storage specs, feel free to check the links below the video. The software situation is actually a breath of fresh air. One of the biggest complaints I hear about pre-built PCs is the amount of bloatware that comes installed. You turn on a new computer and it is bombarded with pop-ups for antivirus trials, manufacturer-specific control panels that never work, and random software you never asked for. Skytech has kept this installation very clean. It is essentially a fresh Windows 11 home installation. That saves you from having to spend the first hour of your ownership uninstalling garbage. It feels like a machine built by someone who actually knows how to set up a gaming PC, rather than a mass-produced unit designed to sell ad space. When it comes to the power supply, they have included an 850-watt 80+ gold unit. This is a solid choice. It gives you enough headroom to handle power spikes from the GPU and CPU without the system feeling stressed. It also leaves you with some overhead if you decide to add more fans, more drives, or perhaps a different GPU years down the line. I always check the PSU quality on these reviews because it is the one part that can take the whole system down if it fails, and this one seems to be from a reputable tier. Let us discuss who this computer is actually for. If you are a gamer who wants a plug-and-play experience, someone who wants to walk into a store or order online, set the box on the desk, plug it in, and immediately play the latest games at high settings without worrying about driver conflicts or hardware compatibility, this is for you. It is a premium experience. You are paying a premium for the convenience of having it assembled and tested for you in the United States and for the peace of mind of a 1-year warranty. If you're the type of person who loves the process of picking every single part, sourcing them individually, and troubleshooting your own build for 6 hours on a Saturday, then this is not for you. You would save a little bit of money building it yourself, but you would be trading that money for your own time and the risk of dealing with individual component warranties if something goes wrong. For those who are on the fence, consider your monitor. If you are currently playing on a 1080p 60Hz monitor, this PC is overkill. You are effectively buying a Ferrari to drive in a school zone. To get the most out of this machine, you really need a 1440p monitor with a high refresh rate, preferably 144Hz or higher. Without that, you are bottlenecking the hardware with your display. If you are looking for upgrade recommendations for monitors to go with this, you can check the links below the video where I have listed some options that pair well with this kind of hardware. The cooling performance deserves another mention because it really is the backbone of the system. A lot of people underestimate how important a 360mm AIO is for the 9800X3D. Because this processor is so efficient and high-performing, it can get warm, and keeping it cool is the only way to ensure it hits those advertised boost clocks. By keeping the thermal overhead low, the system stays quieter, and the components last longer. I noticed that even after long gaming sessions, the internal case temperature remained well within the safe zone. This is a machine that is built to last. Is there anything I would change? I would have liked to see a bit more attention to the BIOS settings. Out of the box, the RAM profile was not set to the XMP or Expo speed, which is a common issue with many pre-builts. You have to go into the BIOS and enable the memory profile to ensure you are actually getting the 6000 MHz speed you paid for. It is a simple 2-minute fix, but if you are a complete novice, you might not even know that you are running your memory at a slower, default speed. It is a minor gripe, but it is worth noting. If you get this machine, make sure you take that extra step to verify your memory settings. The aesthetics of the case are very much on trend. The black finish with the ARGB lighting is tasteful rather than aggressive. You can sync the lighting to your favorite colors, and the software is easy enough to navigate. It is a professional-looking machine that would look just as much at home in a dedicated gaming setup as it would on a desk in a home office. It is not overly loud, it is not overly flashy, and it does not feel like a toy. Looking at the value proposition, you are paying for the convenience of a turnkey solution. While you could technically source these parts for less, the Skytech King 95 offers a level of build quality and cable management that is better than the average pre-built. The inclusion of the 9800X3D and the 5070T is a very smart pairing. It is a high-end system that isn't trying to be a workstation, it is trying to be the best gaming machine it can be, and it succeeds. I would recommend this to anyone who has the budget and wants to skip the headache of a custom build. If you're a student, a busy professional, or simply someone who values their time more than the few $100s you might save by building it yourself, this is a very strong contender. The warranty and technical support provide an extra layer of security that you do not get when you buy individual parts from 5 different retailers. If you run into an issue, you have one company to call, which is a massive benefit compared to trying to diagnose whether your RAM, motherboard, or CPU is the culprit behind a crash. To wrap this up, the Skytech Gaming King 95 is a high-performance machine that delivers on its promises. It handles modern titles with ease, it runs cool and quiet, and the component selection is excellent. It is not perfect, the included peripherals are weak and you need to check your BIOS settings, but those are minor hurdles in what is otherwise a very polished experience. If you are looking for a reliable, powerful, and aesthetically pleasing gaming PC that is ready to go right out of the box, this is one of the better options on the market right now. Don't forget to check the links below the video to see the current pricing and to explore the configuration options further. It is a solid investment for anyone looking to step up their gaming experience.